Welcome to my channel. Let's crack it. In this video I am going to tell you how to take CBT mode JEE mains mock test at home. Go to Google search bar, type NTA and press enter. You will find nta.ac.in or National Testing Agency link. Either you can directly click on mock test here or click on this link. This is the web page. Scroll down to the bottom of this page. Under quick links section, you will find mock tests option. Click on it. Here you can select which exam you want to write and you can choose the session of the paper. That is, you can select JEE mains exam and select any session to practice. Everything is same as it will be in the final exam. Students need to practice CBT mode mock test at least 3 times before they appear for final exam. Thanks for watching the video. Do like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more such informative content. Thank you.